Hey, if you're running meta ads for business or brand that is in health and wellness, you gotta watch this video until the end 100% because in 2025 there are a lot of changes that are coming up. So see you in a bit. All right. So earlier this year, Meta announced that in 2025, after January, they will roll new restrictions for health and wellness brands, companies, whatever you want. And I see a lot of misinformation, misconception in posts like this one, where people are saying specific things that they are a certain level truth, right? But not the complete truth. So I'm shooting this video to give you my perspective, my information, in what I heard from Meta employee. And also we are running ads for brands that are spending $25,000, $26,000 a day. So we have certain information that not everybody has, right? So first of all, I just got word from Meta is going to be preventing all brands in the medical health space that target a specific health condition from running any bottom of funnel optimization. So basically there is going to be the restriction is going to be bottom of funnel. It means that if you are for example an e-commerce brand and your last conversion is purchase, you're not going to be able to target purchase to set your optimization as purchase, as well as you're not going to be able to do add to carts as well. But the only thing that here it's 100% certain that it's wrong, it's that these guys mentioned that it's all brands, right? So not all brands, there are going to be subcategories, and of course based on the level of data that those brands and companies are handling, they will be not penalized, restricted in a certain way. So let's go and see what Meta exactly is announcing in this great blog post, where it's all in italic because they're completely quoting Meta. So starting in January 2025, we will begin rolling out additional restrictions on certain categories of websites. I heard financial will be another one category, but let's focus on health and wellness specifically. Websites and apps, by the way, so not only websites. Certain app, they give an example somewhere here. So basically, if you are a mood control application, so basically if you know the condition of certain people, have this data, they will restrict you the most, right? The most restrictions will be towards applications, medical spas, everybody who's dealing with patients, right? Who's dealing with information, with data, not information but data of patients, right? The restrictions will be mostly towards those companies, mostly towards those brands. Also people who are offering products, let's say e-commerce brand that it offers something helps you prevent stress or boost your dopamine or helps you in your health condition. This will be the next layer, right? So first of all, brands that are dealing with huge data, patients, and that kind of stuff. So then you have other brands that are basically speculating, right, that they can help you in a certain medical conditions because they cannot help you pretty much, right? And there will be 3 or 4 levels, and I'm 100% sure that nobody knows at this point, and they will be rolling those in the next 2025. So what they're saying pretty much here is that no bottom of funnel, they will be on the server side KPI and also on a pixel level. So you can definitely click pause here and read about it, but according to them, what's recommended, it's pretty much going from now, health and wellness brand, you gotta go straight to your new campaigns should be focused on landing page views, for instance, which is, I wouldn't do this, right? What I would do is let's focus right now on the next, how you can prevent yourself. So basically they will be crawling your business manager, your domain, and your pages, right? They've mentioned only your pixel and KPI here, right? But I know for sure that they will also crawl your Facebook page and your website. So I'll tell you how to prevent this. Let's say for instance, go to Events Manager for, let's say for Meta Business. If you go here, right, and Events Manager, or if you are straight into Ads Manager, you go here and click Events Manager, right? And you got this point, click on the pixel and then go to settings. scroll down and find manage data source categories, and when you click manage, you'll be prompt, you open this, where actually we don't have for the specific brand a category, which is great. So you don't need a category, or you need one category that is called internet company, right? Everybody who has assets online, internet company, right? So that's why we use internet company as category. This is one way to get around, at least at the beginning, I'm saying. So then the next way, they're going to crawl your website domain, and if it's your website domain, it's like this one, medicinenet.com. For this medicinenet website, they will catch these words like medicine, like health, like wellness, like depression, like all conditions, medical conditions they can think of, and they also will be penalizing you, restricting you the most. All right, the get around here is pretty much do a redirect, change your domain, do a redirect or something. You will figure it out. I'm just letting you know, this is informational video only. And the third way you can get around with this is go to Facebook page, and then let's say if your page is called addicted to health, right, or both of these words will definitely be penalized. So change the name, create different page name, target to it, actually connect it to your account, right, so that you can advertise, so you don't get restricted and don't lose the opportunity to target your last conversion purchase. And then of course those that are restricted from being able to target based on, let's say, purchase, add to cart, those people won't be able to also retarget, right? So bottom of funnel, so everything bottom of funnel will be just restricted. But people are like, I'm 100% sure that this won't be affect so many brands. So already mentioned, there will be subcategories, less restricted. So that was just the video. If you like the video, guys, please subscribe right away. If you want to see that kind of videos, also subscribe, like the video, give me your data, your information, what you know about these restrictions. In the next video you want me to shoot. Yeah, so I have, guys, over 12 years of experience in digital marketing, e-commerce. So definitely there's something I can share with you, my agency and my experience. Thank you for everything, so that we can spike this algorithm for success, and see you on the other side.